Ramsey County Sheriff's deputy crashed his patrol car into an office building in Vadnais Heights, causing this fire.
Fletcher thought he was sly. Hired Duggar with a wink and a lie. I failed her for no results to show, but Bob kept him around just so you know. Go undercover, he said with a grin. Keep us safe from the chaos within. But Duggar was more than Bob could take, even after all the rules he'd break. Oh Bob, what a guy, what a show. Hired a deputy who crashed and blow. From court security to control with pride, Bob turned a blind eye, kept him inside. Backseaters cheer, but they don't know Bob's got a history that's starting the show. From informant to a courtroom night, Duggar worked off duty, what a sight. Lights flashing on his personal right. Bob just now pushed rules aside. Training's for rookies, Duggar would say, while Bob kept the chaos on display. The IA report, oh just a fuss. Bob was the king of don't bother us. Oh Bob, what a guy, what a show. Hired a deputy who crashed and blow. From court security to patrol with pride, Bob turned a blind eye, kept him inside. Backseaters cheer, but they don't know Bob's got a history that's starting the show. Then came the crash, oh what a scene. A fiery mess that turned to mean. A business burned, $1 million in debt. Bob's face turned red, but no regret. Not my fault, he says with a laugh. The victim's like, Bob, do the math. Bob's got fans who can't see the dark. Blind to the flaws, they still bark. At the Back to the 50s show, he met a man and said, hey Bob, you hired that plan. Bob smiled, faltered, eyes looked away. Can't take the heat when it's time to pay. Oh Bob, what a guy, what a show. Hired a deputy who crashed and blow. From court security to patrol with pride, Bob turned a blind eye, kept him inside. Backseaters cheer, but they don't know Bob's got a history that's starting the show. So here's to Bob and his reckless crew, a sheriff's legacy of I didn't do. But Duggar's tale and the fire that burned is the story that the backseaters never learned.
So, beautiful event. Come on down. Hey, guys!
We're going to check all their districts, see if they have an IVIS and confirm myself.
How you doing?
Hey, guys!
Fans, we're watching. Terry.
Thank you.
Terry and Molly.
Hi, Terry. Nice to see you guys.
I was the Willow Lake Boulevard victim.
Oh, you were.
With what the hell was his name? We just talked about Duggar, Chris.
Yeah, we ran into you?
Blew it up.
You blew up your
That was
garage?
my conference room.
Oh, my goodness.
10
Glad you
years
weren't
ago.
in it.
Yeah, 10 years ago.
Hey, by the way, I wasn't sheriff when that happened.
No, you weren't. But you hired him.
Yeah, well, that's true. That's true. Yeah, we
Oh,
are.
yeah. Okay, guys. Well, thanks for all you do. Yeah.
Yeah, now, is the show kind of over now, or are they still
we late?
coming?
You are the show.
It's still going?
Okay.
Good.
Oh yeah, there's some.
Yeah, my son and I went down there today. It was really fun walking around. A little hot, but a lot of cool cars.
Yeah. Good.
All right,
Thanks,
thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks
have
a
a good
lot.
night.
Sorry about that house.
So here's to Bob and his reckless crew, a sheriff's legacy I didn't do. But Duggar's tale and the fire that burned is
A lot of people out here to watch them. Back to the 50s cars. Most of them appreciative of law enforcement.
Now to another story that we're tracking this morning. A Ramsey County Sheriff's deputy crashed his patrol car into an office building in Vadnais Heights, causing this fire. First told you about this crash minutes after it happened on 5 Eyewitness News at 10. Now we're learning more details surrounding the crash. 5 Eyewitness News reporter Steve Patterson has more live from the newsroom. Steve.
What a wild thing this was, Chris. Authorities tell us the deputy whose lights and sirens were on was attempting to make a traffic stop, but overshot the turn, went over the grass, and then hit a business building. And here's where it gets really dangerous. The car struck the building's gas meter and then burst into flames. Now, one of the fortunate turns in this, especially when you look at this incredible video, is that the business that the police car slammed into was closed at the time. All that being said, The car, of course, is a total loss, and the building does have some severe fire damage. Amazingly, though, the officer inside of that car was able to get out without any really serious injuries or any burns.
It's really amazing, and it's very fortunate. We can be thankful that that he was not hurt, and that nothing serious, you know, beyond all of this property damage happened.
The officer inside was taken to Regents Hospital. He's expected to be released soon. The building, by the way, housed several businesses, and the fire chief tells us that they all would have gone up in flames, and that building would be nothing but ash this morning had a sprinkler system not been in place. We're going to keep our eye on this. If any new information does come in, I'll be sure to pass it on to you.